Hello everyone, I am Shikha, a nutritionist at Oziva. As you know that September is celebrated as the PCOS Awareness Month, so here I am answering few of the most frequently asked questions regarding PCOS. Now PCOS can be different for every woman. While there are many women with PCOS who develop cysts, there are some women without PCOS who can even develop cysts. And in the similar manner, there are women with PCOS who do not develop cysts, which gets quite complicated. So if a woman has two or more of the following signs like irregular periods or no period at all, difficulty in getting pregnant, weight gain, excessive body hair growth, acne, then that is a time when she should be getting herself tested and start with the treatment thereafter. Now, the first step towards PCOS management has to be to adopt a healthy and a holistic lifestyle. So the changes that one should be focusing on is to consume a clean plant-based diet along with daily practice of workouts, yoga for at least 30 to 45 minutes a day, then to maintain a proper sleep pattern and a stress-free lifestyle. The three most common myths about PCOS that people have is that firstly, PCOS affects only overweight women. While yes, many women with PCOS are overweight or obese, it does affect women with a healthy or a low BMI as well. Secondly, just by losing weight, you can get rid of PCOS. Unfortunately, PCOS is not a curable condition, but there are ways to manage its symptoms. And thirdly, a woman with PCOS cannot get pregnant. While yes, PCOS is one of the most common infertility cause in women as it interferes with the ovulation, but with proper treatment, you may increase the odds of conceiving. Now, normal hormonal imbalance could be anything from fluctuating levels of thyroid hormone to hunger hormones to stress hormones. But with regards to PCOS, the major hormonal imbalance happens with the sex hormones, that is the estrogen and progesterone that regulates the menstrual cycle. And at the same time, there is production of small amounts of male hormones called androgens from the ovaries. Now, these hormonal imbalance in PCOS can lead to problems like facial hair, stubborn weight, disturbed sleep pattern, delayed or no menstrual cycle, etc. Well, there are a few things that a woman with PCOS should be keeping in mind. These include keeping a watch on your carb intake, that is, giving more importance to the quality of carbs than the quantity. Having a diet that is rich in fiber, protein, as well as pre and probiotics, which means including more foods like fruits, vegetables, lentils, beans, and fermented foods in your diet. Make sure that you are exercising for at least 4 to 5 times a week and maintaining a sleep pattern of 7 to 8 hours daily. In the similar manner, there are a few things that should be avoided. These include anything made up of white flour, like pastries, muffins, and white breads, etc. Also avoid fried and junk foods from your diet and sugary beverages like soda, energy drinks, and alcohol beverages.